Hi guys, welcome to the Cook Plant and Decor Kitchen. Today we are going to make ensalada fria, cold salad. Today is my dad's birthday and we make this kind of salad for any kind of celebration that we have in the family, or if any friend invite us to the house, we can make it and take it to the friend party. So stay tuned because you will love it. This cold salad, macaroni salad, ensalada fria, that is the original name from my country, Cuba, is a perfect get-together salad. This combination of flavoring will make your mouth watery when you taste it, especially the following day. It tastes so good. It's so flavorful. It's my favorite recipe for any kind of party, and it's perfectly creamy, slightly sweet dressing that goes along with it, that I promise nobody going to leave anything on the table. You can obviously add your favorite and additional tip or make any substitution. Some people prefer some sliced green onion, red onion, so you can add to your dressing whatever you like. That's what I like from most of my recipe. You can do your own creativity, but this one is my favorite combination and I really recommend you to try it out exactly this way at least once for yourself. You will serve this salad cold. You can keep it refrigerated for about a week if you keep it in an airtight container. It is great that you can make it in advance. And it goes perfectly with any kind of barbecue that you make for your party. And these are the ingredients. My first ingredient is the pasta. I have here 4 grams of boiled pasta. I didn't let cook too much, so I don't want it too soft but not too hard. So it's in the middle. This is a half cup of sweet ham. You can add the ham that you prefer or you can afford. Or chicken, or you can add tuna. Your favorite ingredients can go there, okay? Half cup of stuffed olive. I have also a boiled potato. Half cup of sweet peas. Now moving to this other plate, I have a whole pineapple here, chopped very finely. I also have some of the pineapple from the can, that a little sweeter than the natural one. So that combination between these two pineapple is a perfect pinch of flavor to my salad. I have half cup of Parmesan cheese. I make it those little cubes. I have here half white onion already soaked in for about an hour in apple cider vinegar. The vinegar will bring out all the sweetness of the onion. I also have here 1 whole apple. Also I make those little cubes for the apple. 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. And I have apple sauce. This is gonna give a special touch to the salad, like a little sweetness. I'm gonna try one. If I realize I did another one, I use this one. That's why I left it closed, just in case. I'm going to use 2 cups of mayonnaise. This one is light. This is the juice of the pineapple can. I'm also gonna use it for my recipe. I'm gonna be adding little by little, depending how much it needed. So you will see it. Last but not least, for the decoration, I'm gonna be using boiled eggs, these roasted sweet peppers. You can also use red bell peppers. And also I'm gonna use for the decoration some of the sweet peas. So because I'm not gonna use this one now, we'll go back to the fridge. Everything has been kept refrigerated. I just took them out because I want everything to be cold. Remember, this is a cold salad. And that's it, guys. This is the main part of this recipe, knowing the ingredients. After that, everything will be mixing. So you're gonna get a big bowl and a spatula and start mixing. Before that, we're gonna wash our hands. I'm starting adding the macaroni to the big bowl. I realized this bowl was too small, so I had to switch it for another one, bigger. Okay, we are here in a bigger bowl. And we're going to start adding the ingredients. The first one I'm going to add will be the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise, also the amount, it just depends how you like it. I don't like to be in the dry side. I like more moist. So I add all the mayonnaise, and then I will see if I need more. I will add more. Okay. And the process is starting mixing everything. Now you can see that it doesn't stick together. We didn't let the macaronis get too soft. I'm gonna keep mixing like mixing. It's very good, it's very flavorful. I think everybody loves it, not only my family, like my whole country. Everybody loves this kind of salad because it's so good. Okay, we're gonna keep adding ingredients and keep the place clean, eh? Let's add this one, the pineapple, because I want to start to smell the pineapple in my salad. So and I add it from the beginning. With this, I will be adding also the apple. Actually, it's okay that there is not a specific order, no? I just added, this is my way to add these two that are sweet and have a beautiful smell. I'm gonna start to smell everything together. All these ingredients are special for this kind of salad because they give a special smell and flavor. Now adding the other pineapple, the sweet one. We're gonna add the cheese, the onion, we're gonna keep mixing. The next ingredient, I have the olive, the ham, the sweet peas. It's getting full. Hopefully we'll be okay. And the potatoes. We're gonna keep mixing. This is a sexy salad. So if you have a date and you want to impress your dating person, make a cold salad. It's light, have a lot of flavors, and it's pretty. So I think this is a good idea. With this, you want to impress that person. And it's simple. You don't have to be cooking. Your house doesn't have to be smelling like food. It's gonna be good, I promise. But if you don't have any date, somebody invite you to a party, make a cold salad. It's a good one. Let's give it a little bit of color using the mustard. I love the smell of this salad. It's fresh, it's different. It's perfect for the summer, spring, but we eat it anytime during the year. How I told you, for any kind of celebration, we made it. Now we're gonna add some sweetness. And for that, we have first, we're gonna use the applesauce. I'm gonna use one first because I'm gonna add some of the juice of the pineapple can. I'm gonna start mixing. I taste it, and I think we need another applesauce. Not all. I'm gonna use some. About the ham, I want to add that I try to make this one light, so that's why I don't have a lot of ham. But if you want to see more ham on it, you can add more, okay? Any of the ingredients that you want to add a little bit more to see it more in the salad, you can add it. Okay, this will be a little twist to this recipe. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So all the other ingredients will come together and will be more flavorful, I promise. Okay, so we're gonna mix everything together. And this tip, the balsamic vinegar, it was not my tip. It was my husband's tip. He gave me that idea. Okay, let's try. Let's share it with my friends from Cook Plant and Decor Kitchen. After we mix all the ingredients together, what we'll do, we're gonna refrigerate our salad for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours of being refrigerated is when this salad, all the flavors come together and will be very good, okay? So, let's clean everything. Let's add some salt and pepper. Not too much, just a pinch of salt and pepper. That will help for some more flavor, okay? Let's put it in the fridge for 2 hours at least, and I will see you after that 2 hours. Stay tuned. Okay, 2 hours passed already, and we are back here. It's time for plating. And if you want to impress with some good plating, we have to use this, the pineapple, that we make a bowl with them. So, that's one of the best presentation we can have for the cold salad, the ensalada fria. And I have a few things here how we're gonna decorate. We're gonna decorate 2 ways. One will be with fruits on top, and the other one with some boiled eggs and roasted sweet peppers. Let's start the plating. Let's start with the fruits. Okay, now the tasting part. This is the portion that you will get in any kind of our celebration. It's a good portion, but if you want to eat again, of course you can go and repeat. Now let me add some roasted peppers. I love these sweet roasted peppers, and I like to add it to my salad. And I will try to get here almost everything: cheese, pineapple, some of the ham. Let's see. Delicious. Okay guys, I want to ask you if you can share my videos on your platform, Facebook, Instagram, or any platform that you are. I will appreciate that. That will help me for other people to know my channel and of course get new subscribers. For now, thank you for staying with me today, and every one of you are in my heart. And that's it for today. And remember, cook, plant, and decor, and be happy. Bye bye. God bless you.